So here's some great news. Everybody knows that the Kardashians are my favorite family. The Kardashians and the Jenners in the West, just, I mean, they're everything. And, you know, everybody knows that I always say that they're the American royal family. So I have nothing but great things to say about the beautiful Kardashian Jenner West family. TMZ posted an article that made my nipples hard. Now, the article was posted on March 24th of 2017 titled Kris Jenner, Move Over Homer, Animated Kardashian TV on the Way. Yes, Jesus. Here's what the article says. It's short and sweet, just like Kourtney. Now, the article says Kris Jenner is pitching an animated television series featuring cartoony Kim, Khloe, Kylie, and the rest of the fam. We've learned Kris had a meeting with Harvey Weinstein's company in Los Angeles earlier this month to pitch the show. We're told, quote, the entire family will be featured. We're told it will not include Caitlyn. Our sources say this is a primetime pitch and not for kids. Oh my sweet God, I can't wait to tune in to see this. That's the end of the article. I wish I had more information. But listen, Kris Jenner is a business mastermind, powerhouse, genius extraordinaire. She's, oh my God, adopt me, Kris Jenner. Please adopt me. Oh my Lord. Listen, I'm about to start crying. The Kardashians, the Jenners, taking over animation now. Hey, they took over every other market. Why not? Oh my sweet God. This is the greatest news to come in 2017. Thank you, Kris Jenner. Thank you. Let me know what y'all think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine, Meat Magazine 7 on Google+, Meat Magazine blog on Instagram. I've learned so much from Kris and Kim especially, as well as some of the other people in the family, but really Kris and Kim, geniuses. Meat Magazine.